Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to transfer XRP to Trezor. Connect your Trezor to your computer, unlock it with your PIN, and open Trezor Suite. Add an XRP account if one is not already present, and note your XRP destination tag rules. Make sure your device shows the receiving address on screen and matches the app before proceeding to send from an exchange or wallet. Start by verifying the receiving XRP address and whether a destination tag is required by your exchange or wallet. Ensure your Trezor account holds the minimum reserve and you account for network fees when estimating the transfer amount. If unsure, send a small test transfer like 10 XRP first to confirm the address and tag match. Once the test arrives, you can confidently send the full. On the exchange or hot wallet, choose Withdraw and select XRP as the asset, then paste the receiving address from Trezor and add the destination tag if required. Carefully compare the address shown on your computer with the address on your Trezor device to ensure they match exactly. Confirm the withdrawal, save the transaction ID, and monitor confirmations on the XRP ledger until the funds appear in your Trezor account, then secure your...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.